Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to remove footer in Mailchimp. Footer is a very big issue to a lot of people, since having it can really be annoying when it comes to having the Mailchimp logo attached to it. So normally when we talk about footer, let me start from scratch here. I'm gonna create a template for you guys. And as you can see here, we have the logo, we have here another section, and the footer. In the footer right here, we have this logo, and I assume that most of you guys have it as well, in case you are using the free version. So in my case, as you can see, I'm trying to hover it, I'm clicking on it, it is hovered, but I don't really get the remove button that I get when I hover on the section of image or section of logo or the paragraph section. So this is caused by me having the free version. If I wanted to have the premium version, or if I got the premium version, you will be able to delete this section without having any problem, because this section is here since you don't have the premium version or a free trial. As you can see right here, you can read it. Keep the focus on your brand. Upgrade to remove merchant branding from your forms, email, and landing pages. Start your free trial. So the only thing to do is at least to get a free trial for 15 days, try it out, and remove it. After the 15 days, the footer will be coming back, and then what you will need to do is, of course, buying the premium version if you have liked the process and you enjoyed using Mailchimp. So this is how you can remove the footer from your emails, templates, and home pages, and so more. Thank you guys a lot, and see you in the next video.